Got the 30 series torque converter here, going on a GX160. Check-in time. We've got these mounts that I created out of a piece of square metal tube. It's not a tube if it's a square, but whatever. Flange here I cut off of the stock exhaust, and we're gonna weld it to this exhaust. We're gonna have ourselves a nice new custom exhaust, because all the exhausts I have don't fit up under here because of the spacers I had to put. Now we're gonna bolt it in with 3-inch bolts. I've been glosed 3 times because I suck at measuring. Don't do that to yourselves. Got our Bravex clutch on. That was a pain in the butt, but it's on. Putting the motor bolts in first through my spacers and everything so I can get this set for 2 reasons. One, to get the chain lined up good, and the other is so I can figure out exactly what angle I'm going to be welding this. Nice. Not the cleanest tack weld, but we'll make it work. See if we can fill this gap in. Sure hope so. Now I got a bead going. Not the prettiest, but it's sealing it nice. I put this too close to that hole. Now I can't put the bolt on. So I've got to cut it off and do it all again. Here it is. Second time's the charm. Nice clean weld. Nice clean weld all the way around. Sitting right there over top of the frame where it's coming through. Help support it. Boom. I'm gonna have to tack this a little better because this is a little loose. The can, but whatever. Got our throttle set up. That's all set up. I lost this little screw last night. I lost that. And I went and got a new one this morning. Last step. Funny thing is, this Bravex clutch cover, they didn't cut a slot at the factory to let the chain through. So I've already marked it where I want to cut, and I'm going to cut it with a Dremel real quick. I actually need to cut a little bit more off. Still hitting right there. So we'll trim just a little bit more. Now it fits like a glove. So I did a little test run, motor moved on me a little, tightened it all back down, should be good to go. Let's go rip it. Gotta throw a little gas in here so we don't run out though. And we are ready. We're going to tighten this brake up a little bit more too. 2 turns.